Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will learn new grammar topic and that is article. I know that you have already learned articles in your previous class, but still we will discuss today about article in detail. And if you have learned, then just revise this. Three articles are there: a, and the. A and the are called articles. We use a or and when we talk about one of something. That means we are using a and or and for the singular things. That means one thing it is there. So for that we are using article a or and. If plural things it is there, we are not using article before that word. If it is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Now what is consonant? You have already learned that 5 vowels are there. Which are they? Yes. A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels. Apart from these vowels, from alphabet A to Z, apart from these 5 vowels, the remaining alphabets it is known as consonant. So, A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Here I have given example: a bird, a tree, a girl. So here B it is a consonant and sound it is also B, that is bird, tree. Here T it is there, that is also consonant, and G, that is girl. So this first letter it is consonant. So before this letter we are using article A. Now when we are using an article, an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Here vowels are there, right? A, E, I, O, U. So word that begins with this letter or sound, that vowel sound it is there. So before that word we are using article and. Here examples are there: an engine, an ice cream, and I. So first letter that is E, I, E. So these are the vowels. So before vowels we are using an article. Now next, that is an is also used before words that begin with a silent H. Here this word starts with H. H actually it is a consonant, but when we are speaking this word our. So we are not speaking our, right? We are speaking our. So that sound it is looks like vowels. Our. So before that word we will keep N. Same way another example, honest. So it is there, honest. So here before the word honest we will keep article N. Now, A or N are not used before plurals or before things we cannot count. We have already discussed that these articles we are using for the singular things. That means one thing it is there, one bird, one book, one chocolate or any other things. That is singular thing it is there. For that we are using article A or N. And things which we cannot count, for that also we are not using this article. Here example it is this given glasses. That plural form it is there, so we are not using before this word article. Same way birds, eyes. And milk and water, that is liquid, or we cannot count that milk or water or flour or powder. All these things we cannot count. Sand. So, before these words, we will not keep article a or an. Now let's see what is countable nouns and what is uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, that means those which can be counted. The things which we can count, that nouns, that is known as countable noun. That means जिस things को हम count कर सकते हैं, number में count कर सकते हैं, उसको हम countable बोलते हैं. So here apple we can count, books, pencil, flowers, chocolates, ball, pads, notebooks, all these things we can count. So these things we will consider in a countable nouns. Now what is uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. जिसको हम count नहीं कर सकते उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Uncountable nouns. For example, milk, rice, water, sand, flour, all these things we cannot count. So these things we will consider in uncountable nouns. Here it is the exercise. It is there. Fill in the blanks. Here blank will be given to you. I have already written the answer, but in test or exam, blank will be given to you and you have to write the answer by your own self. Apple. So, that is vowel. So, here we will write an apple. Ice cream. I, that is vowel, an ice cream. Fish. F, that is consonant. So, a fish. Aeroplane. A, that is vowel. So, what we will write? An. So, an aeroplane. Then next one it is bird. Bird, this word starts with a B. B, that is consonant. So, here we will write a article. A bird. Then igloo. I, that is vowel. So, we will write here an igloo. Flower. A flower. Umbrella, an umbrella. Boy, a boy. Market, a market. I hope that all of you will understand all these things. Still, if you have any query, you can ask me. So, these are these examples of article a and an. Now, next exercise, that is circle the correct article. Tito goes to school on blank bicycle. Here two articles it is there, a and n. So bicycle is there, b, e, that is consonant. So here we will write a bicycle. So put circle around a. Abhinav had a or an egg for breakfast. So here E it is there. So E, that is vowel, and before this vowel we will write an article. So here put circle around an. Abhinav had an egg for breakfast. They are going for a walk. So circle around A. They are going for a walk. Next one. An octopus has 8 arms. O, that is vowel. So an octopus has 8 arms. She is an honest girl. Here this word starts with the H. H, it is consonant, but the sound, honest sound, it's like a vowel. So here we will write an article. Now we have already learned article A and N. Rules we have learned. Exercise we have completed. Now third article, that is the. The is also an article. We use the before some proper nouns. It is used before the names of oceans and seas, rivers, mountains, famous buildings, certain books and newspapers, and things that are only one of their kind. So, all these names I have given. For that we are using article the. For each one we will see example. Oceans and seas. That means we can write the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. So before this ocean's name we will write article the. The Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean or the Pacific Ocean. Now next one it is rivers. So the Ganga, the Narmada, the Yamuna rivers. Then mountains. So the Himalayas or the Saputaras, the Nilgiris, any mountain range it is there. So before that mountain range's name, we will write the article. Then famous buildings. The Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the White House. Then next one it is certain books and the newspapers. That mythological books we are using or referring or listening the name of these books, right? So before that book's name, we have to use article the. The Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, and newspaper it is there. So the India Today, the Times of India. The next one it is things that are only one of their kind. Only one thing it is available. Same kind of the thing. It is not. We will find another thing. So the sun. We will find only one sun, right? In the whole earth, then the moon, the earth. So all these things we will find only one. For that we are using article the. Now here it is exercise. Insert the in the correct places and rewrite these sentences. Here some sentences it is given. Read it and then think where we have to write the. Have you read Mahabharata? Have you read the Mahabharata? So Mahabharata it is a book. So before this book we have to add article the. Have you read the Mahabharata? Taj Mahal is in Agra. So we will write here, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Sun is in the sky. The sun is in the sky. So this exercise you have to write in your English grammar notebook. Thank you.